Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch 5G off or on the Poco F7. It's fairly simple. You start off by opening the settings on your device, go to Mobile Networks, and then select the SIM card you want to apply this change to. Specifically, in my case, I have my 3 SIM card here. And then once you're in the SIM card settings, you have preferred network type. Tap on that and you can choose what is pre-selected, 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G. If you want to switch 5G off, you can do so by tapping on the option below. This will temporarily disconnect your data connection, but then reconnect over a 4G network or a 3G network or a 2G network if they are available. Likewise, if you want to switch 5G on, you'd have to go to Settings again, Mobile Networks, select the SIM card you want to apply this change to, Preferred Network Type, and select 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. So there you have it. That's a pretty quick walkthrough on how to switch 5G off or on the Poco F7. If you found this video useful, please do give us a like. If you have any questions or it doesn't work for you, please leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.